Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I would like to show a beautiful hand embroidery of a tree branch and flowers. The materials I am using is a cotton fabric, and the thread what I am using is the anchor embroidery thread. So different colors I am using for the different flowers. So these all are the embroidery threads. Here every stitches I am using 6 strands of thread. Here I am using the fabric is cotton fabric, and the thread I am using anchor thread. First I am using the olive green color. Its number code is about 0258. I am using 6 strands of thread. First we will see about the stem part or the small stem of the flower. For that I am using the 6 strands of thread. First we should prick the prick the main cotton fabric of the fabric to upside, and should move a to half centimeter length, and should go down of the fabric, come back to the front in between the first and the second stitch. You should prick from the down to upside, then move a little from the second pricking needle point to the half centimeter front, and should prick it down. So the same procedure we should repeat it, and should fill the all the stem part near the flowers. So here so many stem part is there that I am filling with this stem stitch. It is a basic beginner stitch and a beautiful stitch for the stem for the flowers. So along with the stem stitch, we am using the lacy daisy stitch to complete the leaf part. So for doing the lacy daisy stitch, first we should prick the side lacy daisy stitch, that is the leaves. For the leaves I am pricking just near to the stem. Then I should make it a hoop, and should come down near to the pricking point, and move a little bit front, and should come from the downside of the fabric to upside, and pass through the needle through the hoop loop, and pull it off, and come back just in front of the hoop. I should pick it down and secure the thread. So the normal lacy daisy stitch procedure is like this, and we should do the lacy daisy stitch for the leaves of the this design. The same stem stitch leaves and all, we should do the remaining small stems of the this design. So these all are the filling portion that we should fill with the stem stitch and lacy daisy stitch. Next we'll do the flower portion. For that I am using a pink wine color. So it's an anchor embroidery thread, and its number is about 069. Here the flowers I am using the rosette stitch or a woven wheel rose embroidery stitch. For that I am using the 6 strands of thread. So here I am cutting the main thread, and separate each one, and will take the 3 strands of thread, and we sew through the needle, and we should tie it secure, so it will make a 6 strands of thread together. For doing the woven wheel rows, first we should draw the design using a circle way. We should prick the thread and needle from the downside of the fabric at the center of the circle to go upside. Should use the 5 straight stitch and divide the circle into 5 parts. Then after that, any part of the one straight stitch go from downside to upside. The thread should be come upside. Then the thread should be moved to the alternative straight and under and over the alternative straight stitch, and we should move in a circulatory motion. The important tip for doing the woven wheel rows is we should not keep the thread in tight position. We should relax, and we should pass the thread in a circular motion under the alternative straight stitch. So if we are keeping the things in tight, it will not get a proper shape for the flower. And when we are doing the circulatory motion, we should be careful that the thread should not be overlap with the any other thread. Overlapping of thread will cause the shape of the flower and it will affect the beauty of the flower. For getting more beauty for the flower bunches, if you are adding more colors, specifically yellow color is add in between, it will help for the proper beautiful color for the design. So next we are using a greenish yellow color anchor thread. Its number is 0278 and I'm using the same woven wheel rose technique for filling the flower. Next, I used a mixed color of pink and white. Its number code is 1201. It's because of its mixed color. If I am using the 6 strands of thread, I'm not making it a twice line. It's a single line, and I'm doing the procedure in the flower. For here, it is a small flower I given in the design. So instead of doing the 5 straight stitch, I'm giving the 3 straight stitch, and for this 3 straight stitch I'm doing the same alternative thread should be past the alternative straight stitch, and we are filling the flower. These all are the stitching technique that I'm used in the video. So here in the design, you know that some more is balanced. It will be uploaded soon as the part 2 of this video. If you are enjoying this video, please give me a like, share, comment, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.